you tell us what this machine does for us?
This is a CNC punch, and it's a versatile machine that can produce all sorts of components. You know, you don't get one thing off of it. You can.
Okay. So what did we do before we had this machine?
Before this machine, we would buy in components, or the components that were made here were done on several different machines on power presses, and we're changing lots of tools.
Okay, so it gives us a lot more control over actually manufacturing our items for ourselves.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh, okay then. What other benefits does it give us from a raw material point of view?
We save metal by using special sheet sizes, so there's less scrap being produced.
Okay, so environmentally it's great for us from that point of view.
That's
okay.
Right. Yeah.
Can you show us how the machine works?
Yeah.